Well, good afternoon, friends. It's Matt Williams. I'm coming to you live from the east shore of Sky Lake, and you probably might recognize where I am if I turn the camera around. Yes, we are right along the division between the path that goes down closer to Riley and the upper path that goes onward to Founder's Lodge. And don't mind me while I put my gloves on. It is a chilly day here at Sky Lake, but just look at that blue sky. It's a trade-off. We'll take cold and blue over gray and warm any day in the wintertime. I thought we'd go for just a little hike down and around Riley. So we're going to go the path that we sometimes take to go down to the fire pit. And it looks like some deer have already blazed a trail for part of it. Yesterday afternoon when I was plowing, I noticed a little herd of deer right down in that area. And they just kind of looked at me like, "What are you doing?" I was like, just continue on, friends. But the Arctic air has definitely started moving in here, and it has dropped significantly. But again, it means that we get some blue sky, which has been a real rarity around here lately. Nice little side view of Riley Lodge. We'll see the lakeside in a moment. And it turns out that the snow has been building up. It's almost a perfect amount to start snowshoeing. So I'm looking forward to that, and we're expecting more snow on Sunday through Tuesday of next week. So that'll be great. Any avid snowshoers will want to sign up for a hike pass for sure and come up and enjoy some snowshoeing around the lake. And here's the sign for the Jim Krager Nature Trail in honor of Jim's retirement a few years ago. And a beautiful view of Riley Lodge. We'll pan over to Founder's Lodge. I don't know if you're hearing that wind, but it is definitely picking up. And hopefully the signal will stay with us so we can make it out onto the dock and we can see the beautiful lake. Here we go. The moment of truth. Will the cell signal stay with us? It's always amazing to see the lake frozen and covered in snow, just kind of doing its winter thing. And it definitely looks like we've had some intrepid deer going out onto the lake, so it's definitely getting thick. So I hope you are enjoying this wintry Thursday afternoon, and that wherever you are, you might stay warm, and that you stay healthy and stay safe. And of course, join us for our campfire this Sunday evening at 7:30 p.m. Always a good time. And until then, take care, friends. And let me get my glove off so I can end this, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.